Hello everyone, welcome to my viral video quotes 2.0 review, and in this review I will discuss everything about viral video quotes 2.0 and I will explain what is actually this viral video quotes 2.0 and how you can actually make money using this viral video quotes 2.0 and all about my exclusive bonuses that is worth over $33,000. So let's start the review. So this is going to launch on 1st November at 9 a.m. EST time by File Launcher on Warrior Plus network. So what is actually viral quotes 2.0? So what is this about? So viral video quotes 2.0 is a stunning collection of 500 plus viral worthy video quotes in video format, MP4 format and AE files format, and assorted in 50 plus niche category, high in demand niche that is, and 500 plus high quality quote images in JPG, PNG, PSD and artificial image formats for instant viral traffic boost. And the thing is, inspirational quote or motivational quote or entrepreneurial quote, success quotes are very high in demand and this is very viral in type. See, the thing is, inspiring quotes are one of a kind content that goes viral on social media or all major networking platforms like a wildfire. See, and I have searched YouTube. The keyword is inspirational quotes. See the views of the videos, just simple videos and displaying the quotes of different authors or books or novelists, and see our great man, actors, celebrities, the greatest quotes of all time. And this video got 4.4 million views in just 1 hour. 1 year, sorry. And inspirational quotes about life. This video got 2 years ago, it got 1.8 million views. 1.8 million views. See, this video got 12 million views in just 1 year. So you obviously know that the quotes video is very viral in type. People love to watch, people love to read and people love to share this type of content. So see, and if that quote is present in the form of video, then it becomes the surefire way to drive a hordes of viral traffic to your sites or offers. And all you have to do is post these quotes on your social media profiles or anywhere with the link redirecting to your sites or your desired offers, and that's all. You will get tons of viral traffic to your offer or websites, and you can also make money by this way on YouTube AdSense, okay, because this type of videos got tons of views, so you can easily make money using the power of YouTube AdSense. Okay, so you are all set to drive hordes of viral traffic to your site or offers in just minutes. So see the sales page. So you will grab exclusive private label rights to this outstanding bundle of HD video quotes and viral quote images to get massive traffic or sell it as your own for enormous profits, because it comes with private label rights, PLR rights. That means you can rebrand it as your own and you can sell this as your own and keep the full 100% commission, and you can claim the 100% authorship of this product when you get private label rights, PLR rights. You will get the PLR license also. You can use it on your own way or you can also sell it. Okay, so see what you will get inside this. You can drive 100% viral traffic from all the major social platforms with 150 plus spectacular viral video quotes and covering the most trending 15 plus niches to help you reach the wider audience. You can generate maximum profits with the minimum input of time and money, because you are getting the done for you services. All the video quotes and images are ready to use, and you have the 100% ownership and copyrights of this. You can sell it or you can use it for yourself, and all of this available in multiple file formats like mp4 AE files to make editing super easy and quick. And you can also edit these videos or images, and you can generate viral buzz with 100 plus and 50 plus top notch quality quote images. So see the results. When you have viral traffic to your websites or offers, you can literally sell anything you want. Okay, so see, and selling your own product is the best business model because it will get you instant money to your PayPal account. Or and selling product is very tough because it needs creating sales pages, thank you pages, upgrade pages, delivery pages, and there are lots of things involved when you try to sell your own product. And when you buy this PLR product, you can sell this instantly because you will get the full ownership of this product, and that's the main benefit of private label right products. And it comes with PLR products also, you can also sell this. Okay, so see, competition increasing, and we all know that engagement, the connection with audience is very important if you want to sell something. See, to make sales online, it is extremely necessary to set up a connection with the audience, and a personal touch works like a magic in the marketing world. It's very common in nature. If you build a personal touch with your audience, it very easy to sell something to the audience. Okay, so what is the best way to do so, to build a personal touch with your audience? So the best answer is quotes, and you know it. This is the best way because quotes is very viral in type, and quotes are the most engaging content on the internet with the highest consumption rates. And quotes have the potential keep the feed scholars hanged on. So if you don't believe, then this is the stat. Highlight the most explanatory point in B from. See, you can check out this on sales page. And quotes are the very hottest trend, generating massive viral traffic round the clock. It can bring you instantly, provide massive traffic, supports influencer outreach, and you can also make your brand. See, this video got 21 million views, this got 14 million views and 1,22,000 shares, and 9 million views, 96,000 shares. So this is very viral in type, this type of quotes videos. So see, and you can also sell it as your own to your client or anyone else. See, this is the Fiverr gigs. See, the Fiverr gigs. I will create strong motivational inspirational quotes videos for YouTube. He is charging at the basic price for one video for $20, and 2 to 3 high quality unique video for $50, and 5 high quality motivational video for $100. And you are going to get tons of ready-made high quality videos and images in this. And you can also have the rights to sell this full package. You will get the sales page, squeeze page, delivery page, thank you page, emails, everything. Okay, so this is very win-win situation. You can use it for yourself, and you can sell it also to make instant money. So this is the very easy process. So this is the viral video quotes with private label rights. And see, this is the example. See, this is attitude quote. There are lots of category. The attitude quote, see, this type of video you will get. So this is the Christmas quotes, creativity quotes, entrepreneurship quotes, honesty quotes, humanity quotes, life quotes, mistakes, and there are lots of category they cover. for the videos and many more, and you will get also high quality quote images, and you can edit the videos with your own quotes. You can get the quotes from anywhere, like just google it and you will get lakh thousands of quote, and you can just use the template and you can edit to make it your own, and you can do this type of service on Fiverr, Upwork or People Per Work to make money, or you can sell the full package and keep the 100% commission, because this is PLR rights. See, and this is the image. You can also edit the text on the image. You can keep the template and just edit the text. See, this is fantastic full package. And here is the inside the members area, you will know how to edit the quote images, okay, and you will also know how to edit the viral video quotes also. So you can edit images and videos both. So see, so you are getting the module 1 high converting sales copy. As a PLR product, you will get the sales copy to sell it yourselves. You will get customer sales video VSL, then you will get professionally designed graphics to sell it yourselves as a full product. See, these are the professionally designed graphics. Then you will get the animated banners, because when you get it as a PLR license and you have the full authorship of this product and you want to sell it, so you will need these things: sales copy, VSL, design graphics, animated banners, then professionally created expert email templates, then professional mini site. See, so this is actually awesome, and legal pages, everything you need to sell it as your own. So it comes with for two options: the personal use. If you want to use this for your own, then you go for personal use, and most recommended, it comes with private label rights. If you choose this, you can also sell this, okay. See, and this is comes with $9.95 and this is $12.95. So I must recommend to go for it, because you can also sell this as your own and you can use it many purpose, because when you have PLR rights, you can do many things like this. You can do this type of things, and you can also edit these things, okay. So leading ways to use PLR, okay. How you can profit from PLR: you can sell it as your own for $70 to $97 as your wish. You can put your price yourselves, and you can sell it with other PLR products. You can use the connect to post on your social media platforms and engage your followers. It helps you to establish authority and draw the attention of viewers. And you can offer this product as a bonus to other existing product and make your customers super happy, and you can boost your business with its high quality content, and you can do lot of things using PLR. And see, this is the testimonials of users. So this is the all about the worth over $7,000 you are getting for just teeny price of $12, and you are packed with 100% money back guarantee. You have nothing to lose, so you can obviously go for it, and you will also get my exclusive bonus worth over $33,000. I have put the link in my description below. When you purchase through my link, you will get all of these bonuses automatically on your access page as affiliate bonus. See the YouTube Velocity. This is a software which will unlock the set and forget free traffic from YouTube and Google. And this is Meep. This is also a software. This is a discovery ad codes and bonus page generator software. This is Shina. This is a software for bringing free traffic in your chosen niche. It works on any niche, autopilot. And this is Genovia software. This is Cleopatra software. I like this software very much, because this software will bring free buyer traffic and convert them into leads, high quality leads from LinkedIn. And you all know that LinkedIn is a business social media, and the targeted leads of LinkedIn is very converted into sales. I use it for myself, and this is a software that automates the every profit strategy on LinkedIn. I highly recommend to use this software, and you are going to get as bonus. This is the golden stash method. This is actually a domain flipping method, and this is TweetX software. This is also a great software. This is the software for bringing free buyer traffic from Twitter. Then forget about broke, awesome course. This is a Nova. This is a software for bringing highly targeted audience from TikTok, and you will get the upgrades version also with this bonus. Then lazy traffic is Sniper, and this is a brand new method for finding and monetizing free buyer traffic. And this is a list lariat. This is a step-by-step process for list building. And aerial session, this is 100% proven method for affiliate marketing to get commissions. The Midastas, traffic underdog, all about traffic getting strategies. 6-figure secrets. I am doing these bonuses because when you have TLR products, you need to sell, okay, and to sell you need traffic, targeted traffic, and most of the bonuses here are for getting targeted traffic, okay. And see, affiliate take up, this is a very beginner friendly course, and any beginner can make money very fast, actually within a day using this method. And the super shakedown, this is a very affiliate marketing course, very effective course. Profit scope, profit force, this is absolutely amazing course. This is Octagon software, elevate, accelerate. There are lots of bonuses here, literally I can't show you all. So I have put the link in my description below. When you purchase through my link, you will get everything, every bonus automatically on your access page. So this is actually my viral video quotes 2.0 review. I hope this review will make your purchase decision. This will help you to make your purchase decision. And if you enjoy this video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. So this is for today. See you soon.